concerned. Leave it. Good dogs. Leave it. Good dogs. Those are some very good dogs. You know, Max, it really, I promise you, is not going to kill you. Those are good doggies. Those are good doggies. Especially you, Dane.
Well, Dane's never done this.
I know. Quick learner. Very good doggies. Do you guys like car rides? Or kitty cats? Squirrels? Nap time? Bath? Okay!
Dane, let me clean up your paw there, Max.